All right, so you jump in your vehicle and you go to shift, and it just reverts back to that, and you heard that sound, and on your dashboard cluster, you'll see the following message: shift system fault service required. And that's going to pop up and say see manual. Now, it could be a big issue, or it could be something super simple, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what that is really quick. So we will go ahead and step out of the vehicle. I'm going to turn the car off. Also, you should always set the parking brake if you do get this, because you may not actually be in park. So let's jump out here really quick. Now it's up here on the driver's side. It's going to be right down inside here. You can see that little cable right there in the middle. All right, so this right here is your problem. This little linkage is off. That little knob you can see right there, and you can rest this actually right back on there, and this will get you back on the road. Now, of course, you're going to need to replace this bushing up here, and I will link some bushings in the description. You can either buy them from that website or look at the model number and go with a dealership near you or a auto parts center near you. But this will get you back on the road temporarily, but you'll need to replace that bushing, because anytime you hit a little bump or anything, this thing's going to wobble it around and pop right off and put you back in the exact same situation that you are now. All right, so I picked up some universal bushings here from the auto shop. So let's jump out and see if we can get this popped on and taken care of. All right, so I was able to get that put back on there. I couldn't get any good footage of it. There's a few other videos on YouTube that will show you exactly how to get it put back on there. I just couldn't do it. It was too cramped. The primary purpose of this video was to show you how to pretty much get yourself out of an emergency situation and back on the road so that you could get to a place to where you could repair it. So if you liked the video, I would appreciate the like. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. Tell me in the comments what sucked about it. I appreciate the input so that going forward, I can make better videos for you all. Again, thanks for stopping by. Hope this helped out, and I hope you have a better day after getting back on the road.